Are your mashed potatoes always a bit lumpy, a bit dry, a bit sad? Let's fix that forever. I'm about to show you the secret to the richest, creamiest, most velvety mashed potatoes you've ever had. This is a game changer. Right, first things first. It all starts with the potato. Don't just grab any old spud from the bag. Maris Piper, King Edward, peel them up, chop into nice even chunks, nothing too massive, nothing too tiny. And pop them in a pot of cold, salted water. That's the trick for even cooking all the way through, cold water always. Now here's the real magic. Step 2, the secret weapon for truly lump-free mash. Forget your old potato masher, it's time for the potato ricer. While your potatoes are still piping hot, press them through the ricer. Watch them fall like fluffy little clouds into the bowl. You get this ultra-fine texture that means no lumps, just pure potato heaven. Next up, step 3, warming your liquids. Pour your milk into a small saucepan or pour double cream. Add a generous knob of butter and warm it all gently. Not boiling, just warm and melty. Cold milk will make your potatoes gummy, but a warm, buttery bath keeps everything smooth and silky. Now for the real secret ingredient, a good heaped spoonful of cream cheese. Sounds cheeky, but it adds this subtle tang and a richness that'll have everyone going back for seconds. Once your potatoes are riced, pour over the warm milk and butter, dollop in the cream cheese, and, this is key, fold it all together gently. Don't overmix or you'll end up with wallpaper paste, just enough to bring it together. Finish with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Look at that, absolute velvety perfection. That's it! No more lumpy mashed potatoes ever again. Just the creamiest, most delicious mash that'll steal the show at any dinner table. If this just upgraded your dinner plans, hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more foolproof recipes. Tell me, what's your favorite dish to serve with mashed potatoes? See you next time for another kitchen classic.